Hello wood mice and dormice, and welcome to our last session of maths learning for this week. We cannot wait to welcome you back into the classroom on Monday. We are so excited to see you all. We're going to warm up by finding the odd one out. So I want you to have a look at the images on the screen and see if you can find the odd one out. So all of the images are representing showing the same number except for one, which is the odd one out. So I'm going to give you some time to just have a look, see what they all are, and see if you can find the odd one out. Remember, you can pause the video if you need longer. Okay, we're going to come back together, but if you need a little bit longer, that's absolutely fine. Just pause the video so you can find the odd one out. There's quite a few different images today. Most of them are showing 9. So let's start here. We've got our counters, and on this side we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got 6, 7, 8, 9. So a 5 and a 4 is showing our 9 counters. Let's move on to our hands. We've got 5 on one hand and 5 in the other. 5 and 5 is 10. So this image is showing 10. Looking at our number block, our 3, our 3 and our 3, showing 9. Looking at our tens frame, now we know our tens frame holds 10. We can see there is 1 missing. So 10, 1 less than 10 is 9. So this image is also showing 9. Looking at our Numicon now, we've got a 4 and a 5. Altogether, we've got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's another image showing 9. And lastly, we've got our cards. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 in the middle, 9. So our odd one out must be our hands, as this image is showing 10. All of the other images are showing 9. So our odd one out today is this one here, showing 10. We're now going to play a game of bingo. So for this game, you can either draw or print a bingo grid. There is one with numbers already filled in. You might decide to write in your own numbers. So once you've got your grid in front of you, I want you to think of 6 numbers, and they've got to be between 1 and 10. So I'm going to go for 2, 5, 1, 6, 10, and 3. You can choose the same numbers as me, or you might like to choose your own. So I'm going to give you a little bit of time now to write your 6 numbers in your bingo grid, either using the one, printing out the one that we've given to you, or drawing your own. If you need longer to do your numbers, that's fine. Just pause the video. This bingo is going to be a little bit different to how we played bingo before, because rather than calling out the numbers, so before I would say 1 and you'd cross out the number 1, this time I'm going to show you an image and you're going to work out how many is on that image and you're going to cross out the number. So I've got an example here. So if I was to show you this one here to start with, the domino, if you look at the domino, how many spots can you see on the domino? You can see 4. So if you had the number 4, which sadly I don't, you would then cross off 4. I'll then move on to my next one. This image is of a hand holding up 5. Oh, I can see I have got number 5, so I would cross that one out. We keep going till you've crossed out all your numbers, and then you call bingo. We'll have a practice together, and then you can have a go playing at home. You can print out the pictures, and you can use your own bingo grids. Okay, are you ready? So make sure you have got your 6 numbers written down. You don't want any crossed out yet. You just want to have your 6 numbers written down. First one. So we've got our Numicon piece. How many is on here? 4. So if you have got the number 4 on your bingo grid, you can cross out number 4. Let's move on to our next number. Are you ready? How many bears can you see? That's right, there are 5 bears. So if you have got number 5 on your bingo grid, cross it out. Here comes the next one. We've got our tens frame. How many can you see? There are 9 counters on our tens frame. We can see there's 9 because there is 1 missing and 1 less than 10 is 9. If you've got number 9, cross that one out. Oh, how many can we see here? 2. If you have 2 on your bingo grid, cross it out. Oh, I wonder if anyone's getting close to bingo now. Our next image, how many dots can we see? 6. If you have got number 6, cross it out. Ready for our next one? We've got our ladybird. How many spots? That's right, there are 8 spots. If you have got number 8 on your bingo board, cross it out. Well, I wonder if anyone's got bingo yet. Anyone's getting close? Ready for our next one? How many fingers are we holding up? Just 1. If you have 1 on your bingo board, cross it out. Well, I'm sure some people have got bingo now. Let's go to our next one. Got our tens frame. How many? 10. Well done. There's no spaces. Our tens frame's full, which means it must be 10. If you've got 10 on your bingo board, cross it out. Here comes the next one. How many dots can you see? 3. If you have got 3 on your bingo board, cross it out. Oh, lots more people must have bingo now. Ready for our last one? Here, we've got our Numicon pieces, 4 and a 3. All together, 4 and 3 makes 7. So if you have 7 on your bingo board, cross it out. So everybody now should have called bingo. You can now play this game again at home. So you can print off another bingo grid or draw another one. And then we've got pictures for you to print and hold up. And you can play it with people at home and enjoy playing it with them.